Right, it's 1, 2, 3. Let's go. We're going to be looking at the mini afro. Let's look on what we call the crochet. Wow. Yes, today in this video, I'm going to show you what my real name is and why I'm called a crochet master. So this is it. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I am the crochet master by I go on social media, Instagram, Maurice the crochet master. So if you want to follow me, you can just go right there, because that is my personal. And for the hair zipper, it's hair zipper on Instagram, hair zipper Facebook, and yes, that's how it goes. So welcome ladies and gentlemen. We are now going into crochets. I want to show you how you can really do crochets, and like how you can be creativity, like how you can be creative when it comes to crochets, and those basics that you can use whenever you think of something that you didn't know about. Because sometimes these hair pieces that we always use can do a lot of things, but the problem is we don't always try to see what we can get from them. So this is the mini afro, and it comes from the spring twist hair pieces, and trust me, you're going to love it. First of all, it doesn't tangle, and you can easily wash it. You understand? So I want to welcome everyone. I'm seeing you guys United States, United Kingdom, those ones in Netherlands, German. Guys, you're doing a great job. Kenya, Nairobi, and Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Thank you so much for loving Hair Zipper, for loving Maurice the crochet master. So we're going to do a mini afro. Guys, I'm very excited because I would like to share with you a lot to share with you in these coming videos, because you need to learn a lot of things. And trust me, we are going to do this together. I had someone tell me that we should make a Zoom chat so that we can learn other things, but trust me, we're coming there. So for now, let's do this, and trust me, you're going to learn it. I'm welcoming everyone. Yeah, the return subscribers, thank you. Come and we do this together. If it's your first time, just know you're on the right place, and feel free to go in my comment section and make a comment on this one or any other thing that you would want to see. And I promised you that I'm going to be showing you how to do these inside corners, because they are very nice. Trust me, they're very nice. They can last longer than the outside cornrows. So I'll be showing you also to know. I will show you how to do the inside cornrows. So this is it, the mini afro. What we're going to do, we're just going to pack everything. We're going to crochet, like we're going to crochet the whole head, as you're saying, the way we're doing it. And trust me, I already do with my team, my students, yes, so that they also be seeing what I do, and sometimes they also help me on some things to do. So I just come and do the finishing. So this is how we do it. The looking is different, as I told you, and I would like to shout out to these friends of mine. There is Anne, Jacqueline, Christine, then there's Lydia. Oh my god, thank you so much for the love, for the love that you're showing the hair zipper. So indeed, you're seeing how I'm doing it. It's already looking nice. It's already looking nice. Just now I'm very excited to see that we're going to see something that is very, very new, and a creativity that you also have to try. And I told you that whenever we do these things, please try always to also to try them out, because yeah, you need to learn as you're trying. Because don't just look at it and you feel like, yeah, you got it. You just have to learn as you're doing what? As you see. Yeah, you see, and then you do it also. That's how it is. So look at this very, very careful, because we are going to reach on the next part of the next part is going to be so amazing, because it's when we are going to shape our mini afro. Yes, so whenever we do it this way, we just have to make sure you pack everywhere. You pack everywhere to see that is packed. You understand? So why I feel like you should make it packed is that you just have to make it look like hair. You understand? Like that hair, make it look like your hair, like all over. You understand what I'm saying? So if you're going to trim, you put that in your mind that I'm trimming hair. I'm trimming my hair. So that's why it is this afro. I'm making it this afro, like I make it very, very packed. Yeah, so that if someone tries to sleep, it doesn't lose shape, because the more it grows, the more it keeps on like coming down. It's calm down. So yeah, I just have to make sure I pack it. So here it is. When I'm done with this, we're going to try to make our center. Yes, just try to make our center here. As you can see, remember I told you, like, we have to make it look like hair, the real hair. You understand what I'm saying? Yes, you have to pack it for someone to see that's the hair. So this is how it is. Alright, so when we're done with that one, yes, so now we're going to start our next part of cutting. So here it is. Wow, let's do the magic from here. You see how it is packed? Let's do it now. I'm bringing my machine, and if you don't have this one, I think you can just use the scissors. Yeah, so let's do it now. When you're trimming, I want you to look at this one very, very careful. Like I don't know how I can explain this, but we are imagining this is your own hair, and then you're trying to trim something, like you're trying to get something from it. So that means if I'm to tell you what I'm going to cut, it's just in my head. I'm just doing it like it is in my head. I don't know how I can explain. Let's say for you, you want to cut it a sideways, you want to cut it very short, you want to cut it short afro, it can also do it. You understand? You want to cut it like a short piece, you can also do it. But for me right now, I'm going to cut it like a fringe. You understand? So that one is already in my head, so it's what I'm trying to do. Because I don't know if you're getting me. You just try to cut what you feel is like what you feel, what you're going to do, what you want your client to look. So that one is in you. That's why I can't explain. So let's get on this one. So I'm just cutting according to what I feel, like what I want, the way I want her to look. So that's what you should be looking at, you understand? Yes, for you, you might be having something in your mind that you would want to do. Please just try it, just try to do it. Yes. So you see how the shape is coming. Someone else would want it this way, still it can still do it. You see how I'm doing it? It's very, very nice. But this one, just have to make sure it is packed. Yes, it is very packed. You make sure it is packed. Yes, at times you should use like 5 pieces and make sure that is too packed. Yes, right now I'm trying to trim it, as you can see. Yes, I'm trimming according to what I feel my client can do. You see how it is coming? Wow. You can see how the picture is already coming. So this is what we call being creative. We should always be creative, and please, whenever you think of something, just try to do it, because it's all about art. It's all about art, you understand? So anything that you feel, just do it. You see how it looks? It's already looking nice. It's already looking nice. I love it. I love it. So those are the things that I would like to share with you in these moments. I want us to learn a lot of things, and trust me, you'll get there. You'll get there. You understand? So the only thing you can do, please like, share, and you can leave a comment of anything that you feel that you feel you want to learn. Yes, trust me, you'll get to know it. Wow. I love it already. I love it, and you also love it. So when you're done with that, you can try to trim it using your scissors, like those small ones. Yes, just like that. And even here in front, you just try to make sure you also do it. So this is how it looks. I love it, and trust me, this thing, it's very, very nice in that it has got all colors, and it's long lasting. Since someone can come back, you wash it. After washing it, you refill, because the more it grows, the more it comes down. So if you still want it packed, you can buy some other hairpiece, then you refill it inside, and it becomes back as new as the way you're saying it. So that's why I say that it is lovely. I love it. So please, if you want to learn all these and others are coming, trust me. So the only thing you're going to do, just click on the subscribe, and please share. You can like, you can leave a comment there. Promise you, I'll have to do what you tell me to do, and we all get to share ideas. I love you so much, and for now, I sign out. Bye bye. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Do you see? Something else I told you, whenever you finish your client, there's those simple touch that you're already supposed to do, like some color makeup. Even if it's just an eyebrow and the lipstick, it's fine, because there are those people who don't like to put the makeup on themselves. So you can just do it simple. Yes, lipstick and the wow, I love it. I love it. So you can also tell me what you feel about this hair. You understand? So this one is going to go to, I know, people in United Germany, Canada, and this one Saudi Arabia. You're going to love this. You're going to love it. United Emirates, big up to you guys. I love you. I love you so much. Bye bye. See you in my next video.